What's up, you guys? It's Eldon with the Rods and Mods. Today we have a weekly update about our shop. I'm going to take you through about the cars and the projects and every update that's with them. Okay, this is our 57 Bel Air. We are actually still waiting on the body for this, but once the body comes in, it's going to get sent to the assembly line real quick, and we'll hopefully get this done, but we're just waiting on the body. Next, we got this 69 Camaro, convertible Camaro. Robbie's working on it right now. We got the subframe underneath it. The front subframe with the engine and transmission is already pulled out, so Robbie can finish up the firewall, making it all pretty. And then after that, he's gonna start working on the convertible top, and then it needs to be sprayed and primed and painted. So just one step to the other. Next on the list, this is super simple. We're just doing a leak on it, fixing a leak, and then we're getting rid of it. So not much to go on for right there. Our gray 56 F100 is actually was at a bunch of car shows and is going to even more car shows. I believe next weekend it's going to Pasadena. So this one's just always on the road for right now. No other updates besides that. Right here we have a 1978 Corvette Anniversary Edition. We did some vacuum work on it about a month ago, and he brought it back in because his AC wasn't working. So we're just replacing a lot of the AC components, so the compressor, some lines, yeah, just getting the AC working because it's hot here in southern Utah. Onto the 32 Ford truck. So this one has gone into a lot of work. I'm sure you guys have seen some videos about it. I believe right now we're at the point where we're doing the lines, disassembling some of the stuff, so we can get it over to the body shop, get everything done for that, get painted, then reassemble everything back together and get this finished. But all the hard lines are being done, all the metal work is practically done. Engine bay is getting taken out right now.
Roadrunner tribute. You don't need all the rest, just that. Okay, we're going.
Okay, we got this 1970 Dodge Plymouth Roadrunner tribute. It's not a real Roadrunner, but still a beautiful car. So right now, as you can see, there is actually no engine inside of it. This had a 528 in it, but we found chunks of metal inside the oil. So engine's out. Getting a rebuild is behind our shop floor cleaner. Get that sent out, rebuilt, and then we're going to put it back in, fix up some electrical components inside, and get it out the door. This is another 56 F100. This is one of our next projects. It's sitting on a Speed Tech racing chassis, just like the gray F100. Stay tuned for what we're going to do to this. It's going to be a spectacular build. Here we got a 1969 original Boss 429 Mustang. Everything about this car was rebuilt to be original. It is in pristine condition. We're just doing some minor touch-up work, getting it running better. We're not doing too much to it. We want to keep it as original as possible. We are back to the 1967 Camaro with the Speed Tech racing chassis. It's actually just like the 69 Camaro over there, both the same chassis. Gonna get similar engines, maybe. This is on the back burner just a little bit. We're gonna get a new motor built for it, transmission. We got some cool ideas that we're trying to figure out before we proceed with this. But when we do, we will let you guys know and give you an update video about this guy. So we're passing just some of our personal vehicles. 69 Mustang. We got the 56 Mercury M100. It was at SEMA. You guys have seen some videos about it being electrified. That's pretty cool. But we're just going to pass these guys because they're not being worked on. Right here we have a Chevelle. So body work is done. They got new quarter panels welded on, like reinstalled. So body work's done. It's been primed. So now we're just waiting to paint it. Body shop's a little full with the other project that's in there. But once that's all done being body worked and primed, then this one's gonna go into the paint booth and get painted up. So now we're gonna head into the body shop and show you guys the Trans Am. Here's the Trans Am, you guys. It has a Detroit Speedway chassis, has an LS3 and a manual transmission. I believe we're actually changing out the engine in this guy. I don't know personally what it is yet, but that's going to be a cool update video for you guys of everything that's happening. But for right now, it's just getting body worked and primed, get everything body ready, and then we'll go ahead doing everything we've basically done on the 32 similar. Hard lines, wiring, routing, and then take it apart, spray the bottom, put it all back together, and finish the assembly. And lastly, we have another 56 F100. I don't know if you guys can tell, we really like our F100s, 56 specifically. This is a customer's, it's a TCI chassis, has an LS3 and a T56 manual transmission. Everything we're doing to it, the customer just wants us to get this guy driving for him. He wants like a patina look like our rat rod we had built. He wants a patina look, wants it to run amazing though, so we're just doing wiring, some AC, getting it running, and he's actually going to paint it himself to make it a patina job. So those are all the cars in our shops with all work getting done to them. A little update. If there's any particular car you guys want to see, comment down below of maybe we'll be able to get that car in and work on it one day. And also comment down below if there's a car in here in particular you want to see more videos about, like updates on it, like what's happening like every day, like step-by-step process. Let us know, we could do that. But stay tuned for our video next week. Like and subscribe.